Sunday morning breakfast with some kielbasa sausage, some onions, and peppers. We're about to go ahead and fry this up with some waffles on the side. I got my coffee right here. Oh yes, it's about to be so delicious. Oh, so I'm getting these peppers and onions ready to go for this sausage. I'm just trying to get these peppers and onions sauce first before I crisp the sausage up. And looking good. One of our favorite Sunday morning breakfasts is the sausage with peppers and onions. Oh my God. If you haven't tried this, you better make it. It's so good. You see how it's starting to look soft already? Oh yes, it's almost there. And then I'm going to scoop these peppers and onions to the side. I'm going to go ahead and put my sausage in there because we like a good crisp on our sausage first, and then we're going to mix the sausage and the onions together. Can y'all say Sunday morning breakfast is on the way? Well, actually it's 1 o'clock, so now I have to tell you it's Sunday morning brunch. We normally end up eating a late breakfast on Sunday, but nonetheless, it's about to be bomb. I got a box of buttermilk waffles here, and then I got a box of the thick and fluffy double chocolate Belgian waffles. So if y'all haven't tried these Belgian waffles by Eggo yet, you better go try them. They're so good. What's up, Eggo? Sunday breakfast is coming together. Right now it's about 1:30, so we're going to call this Sunday brunch. Okay? Sunday brunch. But it's coming together. So take a look at these peppers and onions now. You see that onion right there? It looks so caramelized. Yes, that's what you want. So we're going to let these cook for a little bit longer. And then I'm going to go ahead and add our sausage. And then sometimes I'll make some like fried potatoes on the side. And then mix this with the onions, the peppers, the sausage. Oh my God. Y'all haven't heard nothing about no breakfast yet. Y'all don't know nothing about no Sunday morning breakfast without them fried potatoes, these sausages right here mixed with these onions and peppers. That's a wonderful thing right there when you can get all of those mixed together. That sausage, some onions, the peppers, add a little bit of garlic and some onion powder to it, some salt and pepper. Sunday morning breakfast, yes, is on. So the kids right now is doing their own little thing. They'll be out here in a minute to get their breakfast. And we're going to enjoy our Sunday. I'm going to cook dinner tonight. I'm going to make some meatballs. I'm going to make some barbecue meatballs, some cabbage, and some gratin potatoes. So if that sounds good, make sure you stay tuned because we're going to make a video for that. And yes, it's almost New Year's, y'all. It's almost 2020. So this is our last Sunday breakfast for 2019, y'all. Oh my God. I just thought about that. So these peppers are looking good. I just went on ahead and slid them to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and add our sausage now because we always like to crisp our sausage before, you know, adding them to something or just cooking them. It just tastes better. It's a texture thing. I don't like to just put them straight in and then just, you know, stir it around. I want to add some texture to it with the crisp. So I'm going to slide these to the side, and that way they can still cook down a little bit as the sausages are cooking. And then I'm going to just move these around just a little bit. Oh my God. I'm just going to let these hang out a little bit. Make sure they get nice and crispy on each side. All right, so those are the sausages on that side. We got our peppers over here hanging out. So let's go ahead and just give those peppers a minute. It's still a little oil in the bottom of the pan. Once these sausages are done, I'm going to drain that rest of that oil off because I don't need all that oil in the pan. I'm just trying to crisp the sausages up a little bit. And then I'm going to drain it out. We're going to mix this all together and season it. And this is going to be done. So that's what they looking like so far. Getting a little color on them. Not quite there yet, but they're getting there. Alright, so I just put the meat and the peppers in the strainer. We're about to go ahead and get all that grease off. Go ahead and add it back to the pan. Just look at that color. You got the red peppers, the green peppers, and your onion with your meat, and then that color on the meat. Okay, y'all, let's get this back in the pan so we can finish this thing up so we can eat it up. All right, so I just drained all the grease off of it, put it back in the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and just season it up a little bit, and then this is done. All right, just a little bit of garlic. You know, I love my staple seasonings: onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of pepper. And it doesn't need a lot, y'all. It's pretty much it. And I like to add just a little bit of this Italian seasoning just to bring out those flavors. Just to bring out those flavors just a little bit more. So just a pinch. Because Daddy doesn't really like stuff too herby. But if I just add a little bit, he won't know. But it just makes it taste better. Alright, so I'm going to cut this back on. And y'all, like I said, if I had some potatoes, some fried potatoes, this would be even better. So I'm just going to let this hang out just a little bit more, cook a little bit more on low, just so it can stay warm while I make the waffles, and then we're going to be ready to eat. So let's butter the waffles. So this is how we butter our waffles. Just take the stick of butter and just rub it over top of the waffle. That way, you know, that every little crevice piece of the waffle gets nice and buttery. Comment down below if y'all do the same thing with y'all waffles. Put those right there. Okay. And then you still gotta butter the other side of the waffle. And then these are the Belgian waffles. See, they thick, but not too thick. But they are really good. And it has little pieces of chocolate chip too. Oh yeah. These about to be good. So I just flipped on waffles. Oh yeah, they looking good. So we're about to go ahead and take these off in a second. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the other ones on. And then here go the chocolate pancakes. Ooh, look at it. You can see that the chocolate is actually melting. And then you can kind of tell when these are done because you can start to smell that chocolate in the air. So these are done and ready to be eaten. Ooh, they smell so good, y'all. Alright, so we got the waffles ready. Our meat mixture over here. And then, you know, our breakfast is not complete without the eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and make them the eggs. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. We have other plentiful breakfast videos that you can watch after this video. And then, you know, stick around. We'll fix you a plate. And we have it. Oh yes, y'all. Doesn't that plate look so good? Got your peppers and onions right there. You got your eggs. And then my chocolate Belgian waffles. Oh yes, we about to throw down, y'all. Okay. And then London just opened up the syrup. So we're just going to go ahead and drizzle a little bit of that syrup on top there. Tell Antoine to come on and eat.
He's right there at the table.
Okay. Come get your food, Aunt. Oh yes.
Can you get me a plate like that?